Welcome to Wonderland Weekly, hosted by Toronto Ty. Now sit back and have a wonderful week.
There we are. Hello, everyone. Friends. How's everyone doing out here in Tinseltown? Darling? Wow.
Loving the enthusiasm from all four of you. It's fantastic. Six. Yes, you include the little ones. You have to include the little ones.
Absolutely. Hello, darlings. How are we doing?
Hello.
This is Chris. Did you have a good Christmas?
Yeah.
Was Santa good to you?
Yes?
Was Santa good to you?
Yeah.
Hey, there we go.
Much better.
Everyone's still in shock.
Yes, exactly.
Like,
everyone's still like stuffed from the turkey. You know, it makes you really tired. Everyone's still sleeping.
I know, and then they're all resting up for the big party tonight.
Oh,
Gonna go out in style, right? There we go. All right. Well, my name is Tammy Tannenbaum, and this is my fabulous friend.
My name is Mr. Twister, and it's a pleasure to make your acquaintances.
Oh dear. Eggnog?
Yes.
That's amazing. Oh dear. That's what happens with the eggnog. Things just spontaneously fall.
Exactly.
Well, we're here to give you some tacky tips to help you bring in the new year in style. So let's see what we've got in the mystery bag.
Let's roll into our first one. See what I did there?
Clever.
No need to flush your money down the tubes.
You're so crafty. Oh my goodness.
So funny. So hilarious. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to take an ordinary toilet paper roll. You got them all over the house, especially if you have kids.
Wait a minute. Are the kids all over the house or are the toilet paper rolls all over the house?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Take a pair of scissors, cut them into little half-inch ringlets, glue them all together, and what
this is the best
you
part.
have but a fabulous...
Oh dear.
Fabulous...
You see nothing. Wait, here.
Fabulous Christmas wreath!
Yay!
Isn't that beautiful?
You saw nothing. You saw
You didn't see
nothing. Christmas magic.
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put some green and red construction paper on there. You can use markers. You can use bubble gum.
Stickers.
You can even raid your grandma's makeup drawer. I'm sure you'll find some colors in there, like Benjamin Moore paints.
Ah, fabulous.
Usually, yes. These are fantastic. I know Santa loves the one we made for him.
Exactly, and Mrs. Claus, she's got them everywhere.
Yes, exactly. Well, what else can we take away from today?
Oh, no, that's a good one. We all have a few of these on our kitchen counters now after Christmas is over, don't we? Because nobody wants to cook anymore, am I right?
Not a soul.
Hello, Belsnickels! Say hello to our Belsnickel friends, everyone.
Hello!
We love them. You guys are fabulous. Thank you for coming to visit.
Fantastic.
You have a couple of these on your counters too, don't you?
Mm-hmm.
No more cooking, right?
No more cooking.
Turn off that oven, stick it in the corner, throw a tarp over it, and say no.
Yeah. No. Done.
Done.
You know what, Tammy? I think it's time for a little game. What do you think?
Yes. You guys want to play a game?
Yeah!
Do you guys want to play a game?
Yeah!
Hey, there we go.
Much better.
I'm feeling the energy.
Yes, feeling the love, feeling the energy, feeling the vibes.
All right.
As the kids are saying these days. So the name of the game is What's Carol's Name? And spoiler alert, it isn't Carol.
No, she's back in HR. You know, the holiday room.
Yes, holiday room. Exactly. You know, she's being a gossip as usual, but we wouldn't have it any other way.
No, we love her. She's fabulous.
Fantastic. So how the game works is I'm going to ring the bell to the tune of some popular Christmas songs, and the first one to shout out the title of the song, tell them what they win, Tammy.
Santa's booty!
Santa's what?
Santa's booty!
Pardon you?
What? Oh, dear. I mean, Santa's stockings!
Okay. I thought you were going south with that one, Tammy. My goodness.
Santa's booty.
Oh,
you know Santa's boot. What were you all thinking about? For shame on all of you.
Shame. I can't believe it. My goodness. Well, is everyone ready for round one?
I think we're ready.
I said, is everyone ready for round one?
Yay! There we go.
Perfect.
I
All
know
right.
they're trying to. Everyone's resting up for the big party tonight.
Yes, very true.
Yeah.
Very true. Well, everybody
Pardon?
listen close. Yes! That was quick.
A fan favorite. Jingle bells. Everyone loves jingle bells. There we are. Wonderful.
There you
Nicely
go.
done, darling. Well done.
All right, round two. Everybody ready?
Here we go.
All right, here we go. No, very close.
There you
Yes,
go. Well
there
done,
you go.
darling. Well done.
There you are. All right, I think we have time for one more. Do we have time for one more?
I think so.
All right, beautiful. Everyone listen close.
What is it, Jackie?
Yes!
Well done, darling.
There you go.
Well done, everyone. Great game. Great game.
We got some smart Christmas cookies in the audience, don't we?
Absolutely. There's going to be some toasty toes out there tonight.
Yes, there sure is. Now, before we continue, we have a little message from our sponsor.
Yes, please stay tuned. Do you like to stay up all night with your high blood pressure and nervous tics?
Then this is the toy for you. Introducing Barbie's fantastical Dream Dome with a subway station and hot spring. Full assembly required. Test your DIY skills with over 7,000 parts and pieces and a 1-800 number that will have 0 associates to help you.
Sounds familiar, doesn't it, parents?
It sure does to me, Tammy. Barbie's fantastical Dream Dome with a subway station and hot spring.
Santa's not crazy enough to put this thing together. He wants you to do it.
All rights reserved to Mattel Toy Company.
Please don't call. We're all sold out, and Santa does not endorse this product whatsoever.
And we're back!
Oh, thank you.
Thank you for continuing to join us, friends.
Yes.
And a big thank you to our sponsors as well.
Absolutely, because we want to make happy, safe, and healthy choices during the holidays. Why? To maximize our joy.
And minimize our oi.
Oh no, Mr. Twister, darling, are you okay?
I'm good, I'm
Are you
good.
sure?
Eggnog, yes.
Oh,
I'm fine.
Santa's eggnog. It's something else.
Delicious
Ooh.
but dangerous.
Yeah.
My goodness. I think it's time for our little tasty tidbit, Tammy.
Oh,
What do you think?
yes. Everybody's ready for this one. This is just going to put your party over the top tonight.
And this will please even your snobbiest of guests.
I know. We always seem to have one, but why?
We do. It's usually crazy Aunt Marma that lives down the street. You lock your doors.
She still gets in.
She sits on the couch like, "Meh," but this'll even make her smile.
Oh, thank goodness, because we've tried everything.
It's Frosty the Cheeseball Snowman!
Yay! He's delicious.
Fantastic,
He
I am
was 3
telling.
tiers before.
Yes, he was, but then we got a little lazy, you know.
We got a little hungry.
Yes, exactly. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna go down to the supermarket and get your favorite spreadable cheeses. But, very important, this is rule number 1. Everyone listen.
Okay.
You need to get the white cheese
Okay.
because no one likes a yellow snowman, am I right?
Ew, Mr. Twister, that's disgusting.
I know! And now it's time for the decorating.
Ooh,
This is
yes.
my favorite part.
This
You're
is
gonna get
fun.
an ice cream scoop, roll up a large ball for the base, you know.
Yes.
Every good home has a great foundation.
Absolutely.
It's the same with snowmen. It is the same with snowmen. Get a smaller one for the head, and then the decorating.
Yay!
You get olive eyes. You could add a little carrot nose if you're
Ooh.
feeling extra festive,
Ooh.
or a scallion scarf. Isn't that fun to say?
That is fun. Everybody say it. Ready?
Scallion scarf!
That just rolls.
It just rolls off the tongue so
No,
perfectly,
it's
right?
delicious. I'm hungry again.
Now this is my favorite part, Tammy.
Oh,
You're gonna need to brace yourself for this one.
okay.
All right.
Okay.
Asparagus limbs.
No.
Right?
Finally a good idea for asparagus, because nobody likes asparagus, am I right? Ew, yeah.
Not a soul. Not a soul.
But Santa always says you should try them at least once before you say, ooh, yuck.
Yes,
So-
very true. If mom and dad
Okay.
put them on your plate, you gotta give them at least one try.
True.
At least one try.
Sounds like good advice.
Yes,
Okay.
exactly. Good advice from the man with the plan.
Yes.
Exactly. Now, this isn't so much like a recipe as it is a really lengthy craft project.
Some days longer than others.
Exactly. But it tastes a whole lot better than hot glue and googly eyes.
True.
Just ask my ex-husband.
Oh, that party was crazy. There was googly eyes everywhere.
Way
How'd
too
they get on
much.
the ceiling?
I don't know.
Crazy.
They were over
I
there,
don't know.
over there, and up there.
Can't leave them alone for a second.
Not a second, no. But you know what? For a no cook, no clean, hassle-free.
Ooh, hassle-free, very important after the holidays because we're all exhausted, right?
Exactly.
Right.
You can set out some snowman droppings.
Huh? Snowman dropping. Okay, who let Frosty out of the freezer? Who let Frosty out of the freezer? Where's Frosty? Anybody seen Frosty anywhere?
Is that him up there?
Maybe.
It could be.
Oh, there he is, right there. Look, he's looking right at us. Oh,
We need to
Frosty's
invest.
back in the freezer with you, sir.
We really need to invest in some better locks.
I know, maybe some fingerprints or
Eye
scans
scanners.
or some kind of code.
Yeah.
Hide the keys better.
Yes, hide the keys better.
Belsnickels keep taking them.
They do. They do. They're always up to something, eh? Those Belsnickels. My goodness.
Well, unfortunately, Mr. Twister, it's time for us to go.
Oh.
I know, darling, but we did have a lot of fun, though, right?
Yes, of course we did.
And you know why?
Why?
Because Tinseltown has fabulous friends that come to visit us here. Give yourselves a round of applause, everyone. Thank you so
all.
much for coming to visit us here. We want to wish you a very happy, safe, and healthy new year. All the best to you in 2023. Thank you for coming to Canada's Wonderland's WinterFest. We love you. Mwah! All the best to you. All the best to you.
Bye, everyone.
Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like the video, comment with anything you'd like me to cover in the future, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and support me on Patreon so that I can visit more parks and create more wonderful videos.